Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal if you are under 18. The first step involves understanding PayPal's age requirement, which states all account holders must be at least 18 years old. This rule is in place for legal and financial protection. However, you can still access PayPal's services by having a parent or legal guardian open an account, then allowing you to use it under their supervision. This method provides a safe and legitimate way to manage online transactions. To set up a supervised account, your parent or guardian will register using their own legal name, date of birth, and email address. They will then link their bank account or a debit card to fund the PayPal balance. Once the account is active, they can grant you permission to use it for specific purposes, like receiving payments for small jobs or making online purchases. Remember, this account legally belongs to them, not to you. Managing funds through a supervised PayPal account requires clear communication with your parent. They should regularly review transactions, ensuring everything is legitimate and safe. You can easily receive money from others, perhaps for completing tasks or as birthday gifts, directly into this account. When you want to make an online purchase, always get their approval first. This ensures responsible spending and prevents any unauthorized activity, maintaining financial safety for everyone involved. Using a supervised PayPal account offers significant benefits beyond just making payments. It teaches you valuable lessons in financial literacy, including budgeting and secure online transactions, all within a safe framework. You gain practical experience handling digital money, preparing you for future financial independence. When you reach 18 years old, you can easily transition to your own personal PayPal account, equipped with a solid understanding of how it all works.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.